What is known and not known about the Bermuda Triangle? People have been trying to solve the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle for years. Here's what we know and don't know about the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is a region of the North Atlantic Ocean, roughly bounded by the southeastern coast of the U.S., Bermuda, and the islands of the Greater Antilles, Cuba, Hispaniola, Jamaica, and Puerto Rico. The exact boundaries of the Bermuda Triangle are not universally agreed upon. Approximations of the total area range between 500,000 and 1,510,000 square miles, 300,000 and 3,900,000 square kilometers. By all approximations, the region has a vaguely triangular shape.